Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI MatePad T10s, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on System and Updates. Now let's tap on the date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options to customize. First of all, we can decide what kind of clock format we want to use. Now we are using 24-hour format, but if you want to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see it is immediately applied to the status bar. What's more, now we are using network provided date, time and time zone, but of course we can set it manually. Just tap on this switcher right here, and as you can see date, time and time zone options are active, so we can now tap on it and by swiping choose the date you want to use, and the same situation with the time. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see it is immediately applied. What's more, we can change the time zone. Simply tap here, and as you can see here we've got the full list of available time zones, so simply find the one you want to use and tap on it. Be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to the chosen one. What's more, under it we've got the dual clocks option, which means that you will be able to see the time from your home time zone if you want. If you want to get back to all previous settings, just tap on the switcher right here to set date, time and time zone automatically, and here to use 24-hour format. So actually, that's all. This is how to set date and time in your HUAWEI MatePad T10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.